All right, well, I'm gonna try to make a couple of videos here about these Poincare discs and about the hyperbolic geometry, and we'll see if that helps the people who can't get this to download. Um, so this is for problem number 6, and um, I'm supposed to make a hyperbolic triangle. So I'm gonna make a triangle, and there it is. And then it says we're supposed to use the hyperbolic uh, angle bisector the perpendicular bisector to construct perpendicular bisectors for each side. So I'm going to do this one and this one. I'm going to do this one and that one, and I'm going to do this one and that one. So I've constructed 3 perpendicular bisectors. And if you notice, as I move them around, no, it looks like they intersect, right? And in regular geometry, we saw that the perpendicular bisectors of the sides were in fact concurrent. And so notice sometimes it's inside, sometimes it's outside, sometimes, look at that. Oh, snap. They don't intersect. I wonder what's happening there. They intersect, don't intersect, intersect, don't intersect, intersect, don't intersect. Whoa! Intersect, don't intersect, intersect, don't intersect. So what's going on? So I guess this is a sometimes type of thing. Sometimes it intersects, sometimes it doesn't intersect. And there's probably some questions you have to ask yourself. Is this always, sometimes, or never true? And we're seeing that they are sometimes true and sometimes not. And then they're talking about how can we then say, well, if these are the 3 perpendicular bisectors, can I make a circle where I go like this, and then I go like that, and look at that, it's a circumcenter, it goes through the 3 vertices. But what happens when we screw things up? It stops doing it, right? Still goes through, still goes through. Oh, we messed up. Oh, notice those. What about there? Hey, there it does. So as long as they intersect, it looks like they still go through the circumcircle still goes through the 3 vertices of the triangle. What do you know? Well, that was number 6. Um, take a look at the problem in your book. It was on like 257, and that's for those of you who can't get this um, Poincare disk model to work. And I'm sorry. I'm just doing the best I can. Anyway, thank you.